In a sunlit backyard, Luma the cat and Biscuit the dog stumble upon a squeaky toy boat that hums like a tune. They board it with rival bravado, then improvise a synchronized sail across the puddle while neighbors laugh and cheer. Luma conducts with a raised paw, Biscuit barks in perfect tempo, and the boat becomes their floating stage. A mischievous goldfish applauds from the fountain, teaching them to share the spotlight and cheer for each other. When the sun sets, they curl up together, vowing future duets that prove even rivals can be best friends forever.